All right, been feeling a little deprived on opening some celebration packs. This week we were supposed to get the Ultra Premium Collection, the Collector's Chest, and also the VMAX Chonkachu toy. I was only able to grab this one, which is still a win, but everybody wanted the UPC. But since I'm a little deprived and I'm gonna wait for my nieces to open up everything else, and hopefully I can get everything else, you're just gonna hear my voice, you're gonna see my hands, and Statman actually got me a regular ETB. I've been opening up the Pokemon Center ones, which has a couple more packs in it, but I don't have this one, and Statman's very lucky, so I'm gonna open this one up today. I'm going to open up all the 10 packs from Celebrations and keep the rest for another time. And let's see if we can turn some luck around. Let's see. So let's get this one open. Looks really different from the Pokemon Center version. Very different. Regular Pokemon Center. The box is bigger. I can't show you because I don't have enough space. Let's do it. Let's see here. What else is there? I always like this card. This card's really dope. Get everything back. Out of the way. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Line them out like we're dealing some cards. Well, let's see where we're gonna go with. What are we gonna get today? What are we gonna get today? Groudon, Reshiram, Zekrom, Solgaleo, nothing. Pack number 2. This is my bird. Solgaleo, nothing. Surfing Pikachu. That's one. It sucks because in the beginning, Surfing Pikachu, Flying Pikachu is pretty amazing until we find out that it's like really common. And so right now I'm just going for the classic collections, which is going to be a difficult thing to do, but we'll see what we can get. See, another Pikachu. It was kind of funny. I went to Hammer Toyota yesterday. Oh, I got a classic. Nice, Cleffa. So Hammer Toyota yesterday, and I saw my technician, and he had Pokemon stickers, Dodgers, Lakers, Dragon Ball Z, all different types of stickers on his little clipboard. So I talked about Pokemon to him, and he straight up said, "Yeah, this morning I went to go pick up some packs." So I thought he was gonna get the VMAX and the UPC and all that stuff before he went to work, which would have been really crazy because that's what I was trying to do. Another Pikachu. And he straight up showed me, like he had a photo of the Umbreon Star card that he had, and I was like, I need to see this. He let me take a picture of him too, which is kind of crazy. And you know, Pokemon's a thing. You'll never know who you're gonna go and run into in this world, and Pokemon's been really good for me in my life, and I met a lot of cool people. A lot of cool people. Just wondering if you guys have any Pokemon stories. How does Pokemon affect you? Has it done anything good for you? I want to know. I'm a little curious. Ooh! Oh no, I think my niece wants this one. It's a good one. But yeah, I met a lot of people playing Pokemon Go. A lot of the people that I raid with are like really good friends. If you guys see my previous video, I have a Poke Barbecue. We try to do one annually. Since the oh yeah. There it is. That's the one he needed. Sorry, Poke Barbecue got interrupted by this one. Nice. So the Poke Barbecue, we do it annually. Last year we didn't get to do it because of the pandemic, and you know our ratings have been easy, a little bit easier because we could do the remote raids, which is really cool, and it kind of, you know, kills the whole fun of being out and being together. But at the same time, we're trying to be safe. We have people from all different age groups, so it's better to be safe on that end. Oh, I got another classic. I'm not sure if I had this one. There you go. So in total of 10 packs, I have these guys right here. I think this is a winner, Stat. Thank you very much for picking this one. I think this is my hit right here, though. I might have this guy. But those guys, for sure, I have them all. You know what? Since I'm rolling, I'm going to open up this one. This one's kind of loose and just hanging out. Green card, you can have it. Energy, Dewott, Ferrothorn, Careless, Whismur, Jolbur, Whalmer, Cottony, Clobbopus, Charizard. I like this card. This one works in TCG Go pretty well. Electros. Nice. Alright, once again, thank you for watching, and thank you, Steph, for pulling this ETB. I got a card that I needed. Whoop whoop! I need that Umbreon Star, though, and Charizard, like everybody else.